Hi everybody, David Lewis here, and today I want to talk to you about selecting the right car. This is critical in your sales process. Understand that when customers come to your dealership, they make their buying decision based on 4 factors. Factor number 1 is the car. You have to find the right car for them. Number 2 is you, the salesperson. They have to like you, enjoy being around you. Number 3 is the dealership. They have to want to do business at your dealership. And of course, we all know that price is number 4. That's an important factor as well. Now, when it comes to selecting the right car, so many times we make mistakes. Why? Because we ask the wrong questions and then we put the customer in the wrong car. For example, if you were to ask somebody what their budget is, we all know they're going to lie to us and give us a lower figure. So we then end up showing them cars that fit into that lower budget. They don't want it, so we select the wrong car and then we don't get the sale. So my thought is this. Don't ask qualifying questions. I really only need to know 2 things when you come onto my lot. Number 1, are you looking for a new or used car? And then number 2, were you thinking more of a coupe, sedan, minivan, utility vehicle, or truck? And let's just go into the assumption they say they want a new sedan. That's all I need to know. To help them select the right car, I want them to select the car, not me. It's not for me. So now I know they want a new sedan. I take them over to the most inexpensive, smallest sedan we make. And I say, this is the base sedan. And I wait to hear what they say, or I look for facial expressions. If they don't like it, they'll let you know. Then I move up to the next size. This is the next size up. I wait for the comments or the facial expressions. If they're still not positive, I go to the third. This is the larger size. Now the customer tends to see that it's a car they like. It's a size they like. How do I know that? Because they'll walk over to the cars and start looking at them. They'll walk around them. They'll look in the windows. They'll look at the window stickers. And I give them time to do that. It might be 5, 8, 10, 12 minutes. I let them explore the cars. I don't say a word. If they have questions, I answer them. But eventually I ask my one closing question to select a car. After they've spent their time exploring, I walk up to them and I ask them, would you like to sit inside one? And most people will say yes. Then I ask, is there a particular color you like? And inevitably, they point to a car. They'll say that one right there. And now they have qualified themselves on that car. Don't worry about the price. If they want it, they'll find a way to pay for it. But now you've accomplished the first goal of the 4 steps. You found a car that they love. They selected it. You're going to remove obstacles and objections throughout your sales process. Find the car they love. Let them select the car. Good luck, everyone.
Thank you for watching my video, and I hope I inspired you. If you enjoyed the content, please like, share, and click the subscribe button. Once you subscribe, make sure to hit the bell so you can receive more content like this every week. And should you have any comments or questions, I'd love to hear them.